It was an ordinary Tuesday, or so Ahmed thought. He was a champion of midnight snacks, a true culinary explorer. But his greatest foe stood gleaming in the corner, the smart fridge. This fridge wasn't just smart. It was sassy. Ahmed, are you sure you want that second slice of cake? It would chirp, like a dietitian with a personal grudge. Tonight, Ahmed craved potato chips. But as he approached, the fridge chimed. Access denied. The screen flashed. You've reached your daily caloric limit. 5,000. Sorry, buddy. Ahmed was stunned. Was this thing keeping a food diary on him? Come on. It's just a handful of chips. He begged. You've already lived a little too much, Ahmed. The fridge shot back. How about some yogurt and fruit instead? Defeated, Ahmed groaned. Fine, I'll have the yogurt. The door slid open, but a new notification popped up. And don't forget to exercise after. I'm watching you. Ahmed just had to laugh. His smart fridge wasn't just a guardian of food. It was a quirky, comical friend in his kitchen adventures.